The Monkey and the Rabbit. Once upon a time in a lush jungle, a mischievous monkey named Milo and a clever rabbit named Rosie lived happily. Milo loved swinging from trees and playing pranks, while Rosie enjoyed hopping around and solving puzzles. One sunny day, Milo challenged Rosie to a race. Confident in her speed, Rosie accepted. The race began, and Milo dashed ahead, using his agility to his advantage. But Rosie, being smart, took a shortcut through the bushes and emerged victorious. Sulking, Milo accused Rosie of cheating. But she calmly explained that using one's brains is just as important as being quick. Impressed by Rosie's wisdom, Milo apologized and the two became friends again. From then on, Milo learned to appreciate Rosie's intelligence, and Rosie admired Milo's energy. Together, they had many more adventures in the jungle, teaching each other valuable lessons about friendship and teamwork. And so, the monkey and the rabbit lived happily ever after, their bond stronger than ever. The moral of the story is: using both brains and speed leads to success and strengthens friendship.